Cheers. Man, you cannot beat waking up to those waterfalls. Just freaking epic. Gonna do me some blueberry granolas. Relax for a little bit and then work on getting packed up. Get away from these noisy waterfalls even though they're gorgeous. What an awesome campsite. Check back with you guys when we hit the trail. Well, good morning, everybody. I know it's pretty loud over there by the waterfall, so trying to record. I know my audio probably didn't come across too well. A little bit of a late start getting on the trail today. I slept like a freaking rock yesterday by them waterfalls. Man, it's just so relaxing. I don't know, it just does it for me. That sound of the running water nearby like that. I probably slept upwards of 10 hours, so off we go. It's gonna be a great day. Before we hit this stream crossing. Got my cameraman doing some work today.
Yo.
About time you repaid the favor.
Let's see how good this comes out.
Don't be picking your nose on camera, man.
Ah, crap, I gotta start recording, don't I?
Oh, man. Yeah, we got a nice little stream crossing here. I'd rather not get the boots all soaked. Alrighty. What a beautiful day. What do you think, Beaner?
Oh man, this is awesome. Couldn't be better right now. My feet are cool after that creek crossing.
Yeah, that water was cold. Just beautiful out here. So, back where we camped at by those falls, I forgot to give you guys a shot, but you do have to cross there, like right at the one waterfall. So be prepared for that if you're coming down Horton Trail to Seneca Creek and want to camp at the Seneca Falls site that we were at. It's pretty deep, about up to your knees. Locals over here fishing said that it's even worse in the spring, so be prepared for that. The Lumberjack Trail, as you've seen, is, from what I've heard, pretty much like that year-round. Alright, another stream crossing. See if I can make it across this one without losing it. Ooh, that water is cold, boy. Oh, it hurts a little bit. It's so cold. That Ben chilling up there. So we're gonna jump off of Seneca Creek and hit this Judy Springs Trail, 512. We're doing a little lollygagging. It's just nice here with this little stream by us. A nice little campsite. So yeah, we decided we're not going to do too many miles today. We're just going to enjoy it. This Seneca Creek Trail was really nice. There's so many great views, waterfalls, and the trail right along the creek. Talked to a lot of nice locals out here fishing, and highly recommend this place. Beautiful area. What do you say there, Mr. TrailBeaner?
So man, this is perfect for lunch.
Yeah.
Great spot, open. Check out the sky. Glad they got it wrong this day.
Weather was calling for chances of thunderstorms every single day. I'm glad Mr. Weatherman was wrong. Alright, so we had a nice little lunch break there. Did some lollygagging. Finding those springs over there, Judy Springs, was pretty neat. And we are on the Judy Springs Trail now, making our way back to Huckleberry. Not doing big miles, we are just soaking it in. And there is plenty of it to soak in. I love West Virginia. How about you, Beaner?
I love this place. West Virginia, I think I might move down here, man. Then you'll have a beaner here.
Oh, I don't know. How about how you West Virginia folk feel about a beaner living in your town?
You can't keep me out.
Can't keep him out. Hey, if you made it across the border,
That's right. I'll do it again.
state lines ain't nothing. He said, I'll do it again. Oh, look at this. Just awesome. These West Virginia mountains are no joke. Whew. And there ain't much in the way of switchbacks either. It's just straight up. Whew. I know it don't look like much on camera, but putting us to work, that's for sure. Almost back to the top. Phew. So we're finally back up this mountain on the Huckleberry Trail. So we're 1,100 feet up from where we were at this morning at Seneca Falls. That's about 3,300 feet. Now we're up 4,400. Back into these spruce and ferns. Another shrubbery. Beautiful. Alright, so we didn't do a whole lot of miles today. A lot of lollygagging, but we found this nice little spot we're gonna camp at back here in this little pine forest. It's secluded and off trail. Already started getting set up a little bit. There's a nice clearing right outside of this area that we're hoping to have some clear skies tonight and be able to see those stars, so that's a big plus to it. Real low miles, just soaking in all the sights and enjoying our time out here. I got my little Cuban fiber Christmas tree going on over here. And might see about getting a fire going, so it's just been an awesome trip. Very relaxing day, much needed. Looking about 4.5 miles out tomorrow. We'll hit that Spruce Knob Tower, see if we can't get any views, and yeah, awesome day, awesome day. Let's see about this fire. I'm gonna use some of that birch bark I harvested earlier. Beaner's over here in the background like I need any comments from the peanut gallery.
What's that?
Nothing, man, I ain't talking to you. I'm talking to my subscribers.
This big loud bag is like...
Nobody wants to talk to you.
Yeah, I thought, I'm like, is he saying something? I think he's saying something.
Love birch bark. The secret weapon. A little version of the pocket bellow. I don't know, got it from Amazon. I think it comes out to 30 inches. I really like it. I think it's worth a little bit of extra weight. Alright, so here's a look at the clearing that we have outside of our campsite. Hoping for some good stargazing tonight if those clouds stay away. But the Huckleberry Trail is right here. There's a lot of nice campsites on the Huckleberry, but they're real close to the trail. So after we got done with that, about 1,100 foot elevation gain in like a mile, we were going to take a break in this little clearing. And I noticed this little game trail, it looked like, and wandered back, and we decided to stay back there in those pines. But man, it'd be awesome to see some stars tonight. Pretty happy with the campsite though, being tucked off, and we have our privacy from people passing right by. Getting dark in here already, but it's alright. We got the bonus of having that nice open area. See some stars tonight. Ben's got the tarp deployed. Nice fire going. Ben using this sweet little alcohol stove.
Yeah.
Threw my little feather light hammock by Wise Owl Outfitters up. Actually won that off of their Instagram page and decided to throw it in the pack. I forget what it weighs, like 12 ounces or something. It's real light. Small hammock, but it's great for a little chill spot.
We're decked out here, man.
Yeah, it's nice. So about to get some dinner on the go, and I'll get back with you guys. You just can't beat this. Just got done with dinner a little bit ago. Had the turkey casserole by Mountain House. It's freaking phenomenal. Ben says he likes it better than a home-cooked turkey meal.
Heck yeah. Turkey meal.
Homemade turkey. So, just hanging out in the hammock now. Gonna just chill, hang out by the fire, and hopefully see some stars tonight. I wish my camera was good enough to pick it up. When we got here at like 4 in the morning at the trailhead, it was really, really beautiful. All the stars in the sky. And yeah, I don't got one of those fancy cameras to do long exposures, but what you gonna do? So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today, just about. Cool little illuminated light up there, little inflatable light. So check back with you guys for the night's through. Been an awesome day. All right, about to hit the hay. It's about 10:30. We had just an awesome time hanging out, chilling around the fire, and went out to that little opening, and so many stars. So we was out there playing around with their phones and cameras and stuff, trying to get some long exposure shots for, you know, what we have. So we got a Galaxy S9 Plus, so I was playing around with the settings on that. My camera's not the greatest for nighttime shots like that, but yeah, it was cool. We got to see a shooting star, and I was hanging around the campfire, just was relaxing in that hammock, which was awesome. I think we did like 3.5 miles today. But that's all right. We really got to enjoy the Seneca Creek Backcountry, and just all along Seneca Creek was just gorgeous. All the waterfalls, and it was nice. So seeing all those stars in that open little field we have outside of the pine forest we're in was just a nice way to top off the day. And I'm gonna sleep like a baby. Catch you guys in the morning. Morning, everybody. Oh, I had a good night's sleep. So stoked for that coffee. Eat my oatmeal right out of the pouch. It's a little pasty, but it's alright. What you got going on over there, Beaner?
Well, thanks to Shug, I'm jamming to these peanut butter Pop-Tarts.
Nice.
I think he's got his competition because, man, these things are awesome. I'm going to go home and buy 50 boxes or something.
Alright, gonna enjoy some breakfast and coffee. Chill out a little bit, get camp cleaned up, and hit that trail. I'll be back with you guys. So we're all packed up. Looks like we was never here. Besides a feather. Just pack the stool up, throw the packs on, hit that trail. Such an awesome night back here in these pines. Very peaceful. I think Beaner's off handling his business. So we'll be on our way here shortly. So made it back to the trailhead. We finished at about 17 miles total. Not much. We took it easy yesterday, maybe 3.5 miles, and just soaked it in, which was just awesome. So we're about 4,900 feet back in elevation. We just busted out that 4.6 down Huckleberry back to the trailhead. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if not, Beaner, tell them what to do.
You can go thumbs down.
Hit the thumbs down. All right, guys, see you on the next one. I freaking love West Virginia. So we don't have time to go up there, but Seneca rocks. Pretty gnarly.